we're taking a deep dive into the hottest men's hairstyles for 2024. If you're ready to elevate your look and stay ahead of the curve, you've come to the right place. From classic cuts to bold statements, we've got something for everyone. Let's get started. First up, we have the textured crop. This timeless cut offers a perfect balance between sophistication and laid-back charm. Whether you have short or long hair, the textured crop adds dimension and personality to your look. Plus, it's super easy to maintain, making it a go-to choice for guys on the go. Next on our list is the low fade. This modern twist on a classic favorite is all about sleekness and precision. With its gradual taper and clean lines, the low fade complements any face shape and hair type. Whether you're heading to the office or hitting the town, you can't go wrong with this timeless style. Looking for something with a bit more attitude? Enter the messy quiff. This bold and confident style is all about embracing your natural texture and adding some height to your hair. Whether you're rocking it at a music festival or a night out with friends, the messy quiff is sure to make a statement wherever you go. For those formal occasions or when you just want to feel like $1,000,000, the slicked back hairstyle is your go-to option. This classic look oozes sophistication and charm, perfect for any gentleman looking to make a lasting impression. Whether you prefer a glossy finish or a more matte texture, the slicked back style is always a winner. And last but certainly not least, we have the modern mullet. Yes, you heard that right. This retro-inspired look is making a major comeback in 2024 with a fresh twist. Whether you're going for a subtle mullet or fully embracing the edgy vibe, the modern mullet is all about confidence and individuality. So why not step out of your comfort zone and give it a try? And there you have it, folks. The top 5 trending men's hairstyles for 2024. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more grooming tips and style inspiration. Until next time, stay stylish.